refreshing frozen lemonade. We're going to put 3 cups of cold water into the blender. Then we're going to put 1 cup of sugar. Now we are going to squeeze fresh lemons to make lemon juice.
Lemonade, lemonade, come and get your lemonade. Lemonade, lemonade, for sale. Lemonade, lemonade, come and get your lemonade. Lemonade, lemonade, for sale. I made a big sign, for sale lemonade. Buy a fresh cup, it's all homemade. Water, lemons, a little sugar too. Mix them all together to share with you. Oh, lemonade, lemonade.
Now we will add 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice to the blender. Now we're going to add 4 cups of ice into the blender. And we're going to start blending it up. Okay, let's see. 1 more time. Okay, I think it's just right now. Now, you could either put it in a cup and drink it as a drink, or you can even make ices out of it and put it in the freezer.
Hi Sheila, what are you making?
Frozen lemonade, you want some?
Yeah.
What's the beracha?
Shakol. Shakol.
Amen. How is it?
Wow, it's amazing.
Okay, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed.